Good morning. My name is Prakash Singh Rajawat and I teach mathematics to class 8. Please connect with me for few minutes to know how I will teach. Today my topic is surface area and volumes of three-dimensional figures. The figures having three dimension or three sides is known as 3D figures. So first of all my figure is cube. Cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has 8 points connecting all these edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. A cube is made up of 6 square faces. So 6 square figures. So faces are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one 6. Let's talk about the total surface area. The side of this cube is A. So the total surface area, one area of a square is A square and there are 6 squares. So the total surface area is 6A square. In the CSA means top surface area or lateral surface area. We have to remove the top and the bottom one. So 4 faces are left. The CSA is 4A square and the volume is base square into height. So base area is A into A square and height is also A. So the volume is A cube. The next figure is cuboid. Cuboid is same as a cube. Cube is made up of square and cuboid is made up of rectangles. 6 rectangles, 8 vertex, 12 edges and 6 faces. Total surface area for a rectangle is LB. So 2 rectangle of LB, 2 rectangle of BH and 2 rectangle of HL. L is length, B is breadth and H is height. So the formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. In CSA we have to remove the top face and the bottom face. So only L into H, opposite side L into H, B into H, opposite side B into H. So we will get 2L plus B into H. And next is volume, which is length into breadth into height, as base square, base area into height. The next figure is cylinder. Cylinder having two circles up and bottom, which having R radius and a height. In Hindi it is also known as bevel. So the total surface area, first talk about the CSA, that is lateral surface area, first surface area. We have in the CSA we have to take the surface area of this figure only. We have to remove one circle, two circles. So the CSA is 2 pi RH. When we will calculate the TSA, we will add the area of this circle, this circle. Area of a circle pi r square and there are two circles. So 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. We will take the common 2 pi r. In the bracket we will get r plus h. R is the radius of a circle and h is the height. So TSA is 2 pi r plus h. Let's talk about the volume. Same volume, base area. Here base is circular. So area is pi r square and the height. Height is h. So the volume is pi r square h. Next figure is cone. In cone we have to get 3 radius, h height and here is the slant height which is known as L. At the center of the circle we get the 90-degree angle. So one relation is very important here, that is L square is equals to h square plus r square. L square means length height square is equals to height square plus radius square by the hypotenuse theorem. Let's talk about the CSA. CSA is pi r L. Pi r into L. TSA. In TSA we have to include the circle. The area of a circle is pi r square and pi r. We will take the common pi r. Pi r common. In the bracket we get r plus L, which is radius plus slant height. Volume. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h 1 by 3. And this is the relation L square h square is equals to h square plus r square according to hypotenuse theorem. Thank you. If you like the video, please like me.